Matthew here, the Kiwi Culchie again. Welcome to my house in Skibbereen in West Cork. And just behind me here, my daughter Ava's filming. She's the film production lady. So today we're going to do buttermilk scones. Okay, it's a recipe yet again I've used in so many places. I'd have about 7 or 8 recipes, but this is the best one that I've found. It's really nice, really tasty. We all know how to make scones, but if you follow this recipe, it's the precise quantities and the specification to the recipe that really works every time. So listen, I hope you enjoy it. Follow the steps, and of course, at the end of the movie, subscribe to the YouTube channel, but also go to my website to find the recipe under the Kiwi Culchie section. Okay guys, see you at the end. So there we go guys, lovely homemade scones. Okay, this recipe's been with me for a long time. I love them with strawberry jam and the whipped cream. So please give them a try. Remember to subscribe to the channel, okay, and remember the recipe you can print out in the description underneath this video, okay, and it will take you to my website, the Skibbereen Food Company, and you'll be able to print out the recipe. So listen, enjoy the week guys. I'm going to eat these with my daughter Ava because they're smelling really nice. Have a good week, see you soon.